Hello, what's up guys, my name is Ian Khan, and you watch 2AK tutorial channel. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the gradient tool in Adobe Illustrator, focusing on creating a clean linear gradient effect. Let's get started. First, open your Illustrator document and select any shape using the selection tool. I'm going to use a rectangle for this demo. Next, go to the window menu and make sure gradient is checked, so the gradient panel is visible on your screen. With your shape selected, click on the gradient slider in the panel to apply the default black to white gradient. You'll notice the shape instantly changes. Now, from the gradient type options, choose linear gradient. This creates a straight color transition from one side of the shape to the other. To customize it, double-click on each color stop at both ends of the gradient slider. Pick any colors you like from the color picker. You can also add new color stops by clicking directly on the slider. Then, select the gradient tool, G, from the toolbar. Click and drag across your shape to control the angle, length, and direction of your gradient. The longer your drag, the smoother the blend. And that's it. You've created a beautiful linear gradient in Illustrator. Feel free to experiment with different color combinations and directions to get the perfect look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.